For so long I searched for you, you who created all things. I searched until the very end. Now at last I have found you. I found you in the book of life. I lift my hands to worship God. I stand here in your presence. My joy overflows with tears. I trust completely in your love. I remain close by your side. With gladness you hold my hand. I lift my hands to praise you, Lord. That you love me. I give my life completely to you. I sing my song of worship, lifting you to the highest place. I will praise you forevermore. I lift my hands to worship